In this video, I will show you how to use custom fonts in Gamma AI Pro. Let's get started. I'll begin by looking at my main Gamma dashboard where all my recent projects and presentations are organized. From here, I move my cursor over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on the library icon. In the library section, I can see two main categories at the top: themes and custom fonts. I'm going to click on custom fonts to manage my typography preferences. As I land on this page, I see a helpful note explaining that while Gamma provides access to standard Google fonts, I also have the ability to upload my own unique font files to use in my custom themes. To start the actual upload process, I click on the central box labeled Upload Font Family. Clicking it opens up a new window where I can choose the subscription plan that works best for me. The interface starts by showing the annual billing rates with a discount, but I want to see the standard monthly costs instead. I'll click the toggle to switch to Pay Monthly. Now I can easily compare the Plus, Pro, and Ultra tiers, noting that the Pro plan is the most popular choice for custom branding and font uploads. After reviewing these different options, I will close the pricing window to return to my library. Now that I know exactly where the upload button is and which plan is required, I am ready to upgrade and start personalizing my presentations. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using custom fonts in Gamma AI Pro.